It's fall, the weather is getting cold. I'm afraid that liquid feed will freeze, so I've made what's called a mush bag feeder. And it's sugar and water at a ratio that won't run. And you lay it on top of the hive with a spacer, and the bees access it from the top. And what you're not seeing in this video is off to the side, I've cut horizontal lines, vertical lines, where I opened the bag from the top. And it would have been nice if I had smoked the bees and let them know that I was doing this. But they'll access the feed from the top, and next time I come, hopefully it'll all be gone.